Hey guys, so welcome to digit.in, and we have with us the smartphone that so many of us have been waiting for. This is the iQOO 3 that we've got, and no, sorry, this is not the iQOO 3. Can you just quickly cut? We're gonna do that again. Do not ruin my unboxing. Quickly give. All right, so this is the iQOO 3. Now this is the phone that we have been waiting for with a lot of excitement. Many reasons. The first phone with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 processor, the first phone with 5G to launch in India, and besides that, it also sports 55-watt fast charging. Like, that's pretty damn insane. On top of that, you get 4,440 milliamp hours worth of battery, and there's also a 48 megapixel primary camera. That alone should make this smartphone exciting and something to look forward to. On the 25th, this phone officially becomes available and announced, and we are going to reveal everything about the iQOO 3 to you on that day. On top of that, if you guys have any questions about the device, leave them in the comments below, and we will make sure that on the 25th of February, you have all the answers you need. So thank you guys for watching this video.